Do you want to open something?
Yes po, Mamita.
Okay, but you have to win a game, okay?
Okay.
And if you win, you can choose 2 toys!
Yay!
Okay, but you have to win first, okay?
Okay.
You think you can win?
Yes, I can.
Okay, let's go! Stretching, go! Yes! Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Amoy nga ng kilikili mo, nakataas pa. Ang bango ah.
Let's go, Mamita.
Okay, sige, nangihila na siya. Let's go! Think you can win?
Yes.
You're smart, right?
Yeah.
Nakakuha ng medal?
And my quiz bee.
Sige nga, can you spell apple?
A-L-P-P-E.
Mag-aral tayo later. Today, we're gonna do a
Challenge.
And if you win, what will you get?
2 toys.
Okay, follow my lead. You just have to copy Mamita.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Mali ka na agad.
Why?
Kasi dapat kung saan ko ilalagay, ganun din. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, go. Galing ah.
I drink it.
Oh no, you lost. It's okay. You feel sad?
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. You win!
Yay!
Okay. Mamita just playing with you. Sige. Tsaka ito, puzzles. Oh, you get na. Then you can open it na.
Thank you, Mamita.
Love you.
Love you.
Ito lang ah. Nililimit namin, paminsan-minsan lang yung toys niya. Happy?
Yeah. Thank you po, Mamita.
Welcome. Call Mimi.
Okay.
Careful. May sinabi ba siya?
Wala.
We, promise?
Swear.
Meron akong palaro, pero tunay talaga to. Tunay nga, o, inamoy mo.
Okay nga, oh.
So, makukuha mo kung ano nasa loob nito. Pag napanalo mo yung challenge.
May laman yan?
Karabi ka naman. Makukuha mo ang 100,000. You have to win the game.
Sino kalaban ko?
Ako.
Eh, paano ko nanalo? Ikaw mapapalaro.
makinig ka nga. Walang daya to. Promise. Si Gabe nga, nakita mo, nakakuha ng 2 laruan. Napanalo niya.
Panalo niyo yun?
Oo.
Tunay? Oo.
Watch closely. Para makita mo yung ibon. Mga ganahan ka. Kailangan magaya mo lahat ng movements ko, lahat ng gagawin ko. For just 1 minute.
1 minute?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Kinakabahan ako.
Huwag ka kabahan. Gamit ng utak. Tsaka, ano lang, tutok lang. Yung aware ka.
Pag may pera talaga, kinakabahan ako.
Ready?
Yes.
Go.